Give a like sign if the statement describes ways of creating a healthy environment and unlike if not. 1. Vaccination of pets. 2. Vandalism. 3. Awareness on disaster. Preparedness. 4. Cleanup drive. 5. Tree planting.
Now let's proceed to our new lesson. I know that you're helping your parents at home, and when you do household chores, you have encountered wastes. What are the waste materials that you have at home? And do you know how to dispose them properly? To dispose wastes properly, you have to know your wastes. What are wastes? Wastes are materials that are no longer usable or discarded after primary use. Examples: broken glasses, food wrappers, spoiled food, old newspapers, or empty tin cans. Do you know that waste disposal in the urban area had been a problem because of big number of consumers with limited space for disposing wastes? If wastes are not disposed properly, they bring danger to the health of the community. One of the best solutions to reduce wastes is waste segregation. Waste segregation is sorting wastes into groups to facilitate recycling. They can be grouped into biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Biodegradable wastes are wastes that are broken down with the help of microorganisms. These wastes decompose easily and are converted into nutrients needed by plants. The examples are food leftovers, dried leaves, fruit peelings, papers, woods, and human and animal wastes. Non-biodegradable wastes cannot be broken down by microorganisms. It takes them decades to decompose. These wastes are primary contributors of garbage problem in the cities. Styrofoam, plastic, rubber, broken glasses, nylon cloth, tin cans, and old tires are examples of non-biodegradable wastes. There are other classifications of waste materials. One of it is reusable materials. What are usable materials? Reusable materials are objects that after they were used, they can be used again for the same purpose. These are materials that we keep at home after using them because they can be used again in the future. Another is recyclable materials. What are recyclable materials? These are materials that can be used again for other purposes aside from their primary purpose. They are called recyclable. Instead of disposing them, they are converted into other objects to be usable. This process is called recycling. Here are examples of materials which are reusable and recyclable. Shoe box. They can serve as storage for other shoes or storage for school supplies. Old clothes. They can be given to your younger siblings or used as rags. Mayonnaise bottle. They can be refilled with mayonnaise again, or they can be converted into pen holder. Old tires. They can be used as chairs, while soda bottles can be converted into pots for plants. How about hazardous materials? What are hazardous materials? Some materials are not good for composting or recycling because of their harmful components. These are called hazardous wastes. They have to be disposed properly when they are no longer usable. Old batteries, broken fluorescent lamp, empty container of insecticides, expired medicine, broken thermometer that has mercury, and wastes from hospitals are examples of hazardous materials. Let's now proceed to the activities. For activity 1, you're going to segregate the wastes into box into biodegradable and non-biodegradable.